Colin. I know that you already have the answer and everything, but I was going to show you some basic stuff so that maybe you understand this better. So there is the problem you have to do. So the basics that you need to know before you do that are, you have to know that vertical angles are always equal. So if two lines cross, then the angles across from each other, these two, are exactly the same size every single time. And these two are the same size. And I've drawn it up here in red, so you can even tell by looking that they're called vertical angles when they're across from each other. And they're always the same size. They're always equal to each other. And so, here, the first thing you see is, let's go back down here. Like in the 7th grade, they may have given you a problem like this. And you had to fill in the blanks. It's easier, but see, look, these are vertical angles. So if that's 30 degrees, boom, what's that? 30 degrees. And if that's 150 degrees, the vertical angle to that one also has to be 150 degrees. Now, the other thing you have to know is a circle is 360 degrees. So if you add all of these up, you would get 360 degrees. And you do, because 30 plus, well, let's do it this way. 30 and 150 is 180. And a straight line, that's another thing you have to know. A straight line is 180. And then this straight line is 180. And 180 plus 180 is, boom, 360. So we're going to use those basic informations on this. Because if this is 2x plus 10, what's the vertical angle? You got it, 2x plus 10. And if this is x minus 16, then what's its vertical angle? You got it, x minus 16. So now we have some more information. Now we're going to use this information. Every circle was 360 degrees. So we'll just draw me a circle around it. That means all these 4 angles have to add up to 360 degrees. Now, the easy part is, this 2x plus 10 plus 2x plus 10, I'll write it down. If you add those two angles, 2x plus 10 plus 2x plus 10, plus the other two, x minus 16, plus the other x minus 16. So we'll put those down, plus x minus 16, plus x minus 16. They all add up to what? 360 degrees. Yeah. So now we just combine like terms. 2x's plus 2 more x's is 4x's. That's 5x's. 6x's. 6x. Now let's combine the other like terms. He ain't got no variable, and he ain't got no variable. So 10 goes together with 10 to make 20. And he ain't got no variable, so 20 minus 16 is 4. And 4 minus 16 is 4 minus 6. Ooh, in the negatives. Oh, I put 12 is 16. So, first guy, stay the same. Change it. No, 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 no. Take the sign of the biggest guy, negative 12. So we put negative with the takeaway sign, 12. Equals your total of 360 degrees. And then you have to get rid of the dangling man, which is a 12. They minus 12. To get rid of him, you're going to do the opposite. Add 12. Add 12. Draw a big line. 360 plus 12 is 372. And the 12s cancel each other out. You're left with what? Only the 6x. Then you draw a line, put a 6 over, put a 6 over. Goodbye, x equal of, then you bottom into top it, and you got it. You bottom into top it, and you got it. So 6 divided into 372 is, I did it earlier, what did I get? 62. So x equals 62. That's not the answer. What? It's not the answer? No, that's just what x equals. You have to go back up and put that 62 in place of the x to find out how big that angle is. So 2 times 62, what's 2 times 61? 124. But then you have to add 10. So that gives you 134 degrees. Let me draw it on a different circle. Let me draw a circle here. So that one is 134 degrees. Hey, if that one's 134, then what's the vertical angle to it? 134. Now we have to get this one, x minus 16. What was x? 62. So we put a 62 in place of the x. What is 62 minus 16? I don't know. 62 minus 16. There's a 6. That's 5. That's 4. 46 degrees. So this has to be 46 degrees. I hope that's right. I did it real quick. Hey, Those are vertical angles. If that's 46, what's that one have to be? 46. Now, if we did it right, then all of these should add up to what? 360 degrees. So let's check our work. If you add 134 plus 134, you get 268. 268. And if you add 46 plus 46, you get 92. And if you add those two together, I hope you get 360. So that's 1560. Yes! 360 degrees. There you go. That's how you do it. Bye.